Thank you, Belinda. Sir and ma'am. A beautiful way of saying thank you for all you've done. Come po lalapit sa inyo. Sa ina, I'm going to choose 3 teachers. Math, editing, and then roast yung mga teachers ninyo. Ngayon, kayo ang i-roast nila. Mr. Pineda, center stage, following the line. Now I can see the bottom of the sino po ang pinakaulit? Ma'am, Mrs. Morana, sino po yung sabay ay estudyante yun?
Pero may ganahaning ini. So, this dance with me, Noel.
Ayoko yung Noel sila. Sandali ko naman. Mr. Rico, tuma.
Siyempre.
Sino ang hate ng student? Nasa hate. Etchi? Mrs. Kayabyab. Ma'am. Miss Kayabyab. Good evening po. Parang pong estudyante yung lalaki. Sino po yung madalas mag-cutting class? If you cannot remember, just point 1. So, Mrs. Kayabyab, sa gitna, Mr. Johnson! Yes, sinalbahin kayo kanina. Ngayon, kayo ang dapat sumalbay sa kanila. Sino po ang salbay sa mga estudyante ninyo?
Actually, puro mga Boy Scouts yan. Puro sa basa.
Boy Scout ba kayo? Mga laging handa? Okay. Si camping po, sino tumatakas?
Ang alam ko, during camping period, dahil mga scout citizen yan, yung mga lower rank, yung mga scout citizen, kinukuha nila yung mga baon ng mga lower rank. Muna na dyan si Rick, si Jimmy.
Parang halawan yung mga baon na ka-scout. Thank you so much, dear teachers. This time, I'd like to call on Miss Kayabyab to do a speech in behalf of all you beautiful faculties of High School Batch 83 to do a speech, man, for Miss Kayabyab this morning.
At night. Yan. Bali yung wala ko sana, yun na kami natandaanan. May naman kami. Pero mas parang kayo. Masaya kami dahil kahit na busy kayo lahat, and I heard that 9 of you came all the way from different parts of the world just to attend this reunion. And I'm happy that you made it. And those whom I see every now and then, it's nice to see you also. Ang lahat ng mga teacher natin dito ngayon, kahit kami puputi ng buo, andito pa rin kami sa inyo. And, alam niyo yung mga negative na comments, binauna namin yun. We would like to remember only the good times. Ikaw kami makulit. And nakikita niyo naman, nagsilaki din kami, pati mga puso namin nagsilaki. And we wish you all the luck, and we hope that all the other batches will be able to gather themselves just like we did. Sana magaan yung paligo ninyo, and we wish that wherever you... And we are waiting for your children to enroll. Elementary, and in the high school. May 100% discount out. Parang deduction sa amin. Again, thank you very much, and God bless you all.
Going to be taking part in the celebration of the 25th anniversary of Batch 83 of AUF. They will now roll the cake in the middle. Archie, can we have Archie here?
All I want to say is to long, to good health, to friendship, to love. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for cheering and posting with Best 83. Best 83 25th anniversary. Moves on after this. 755, 855, SRN 855. Take your turn, please. We'd like to thank the following: the organizers and coordinators